Hey guys, Ruby here with Unorthodox Aquatics, and I just came home to a package on my step. So I've got the package in, and it must have just got here. Oops! Tripping over trash, because I took my trash can out not that long ago, so here we go, we're gonna open it. Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna use a knife to cut this. The dullest knife in the world. Wow. Look what we got here! Ha ha ha! This is a juvenile baby red-tailed shovel-nosed catfish hybrid. How cool! So, as you could probably guess, he's going in the pool pond. So I'm just going to take him back there and float him. Okay. So we're just going to gently float him here in the warm water. Probably feels good. Okay, so our new little guy has been sitting in here for a while, soaking in the warm water. Let's let him out. So here he is, floating in the bag. You can see him swimming around in there. Let's release him. I'm going to add their water to here. I don't care. It looks pretty clean. Turn around, buddy. Turn around. There you go. Looks like he has a little injury on his fin, but otherwise he looks okay. Nice and active. All right. So here he is. Yay. Oh, he looks so much happier than he was in that bag, and he's in nice warm water now, exploring the pool pond. Oh, so cute. I'll do a video on this guy maybe next time. So on you know, the details about these guys. Look at him wobble. I think he's just getting used to the warmer water. Hopefully whatever that is, that injury above his dorsal fin will heal or something. Maybe he got stuck in something. Oh, what a cutie. Anyway, guys, that was me, Ruby, with Unorthodox Aquatics, here with my mini pool pond once again to show you my unboxing video of my juvie red-tail shovel-nose hybrid catfish. So thanks for stopping in. Please subscribe if you like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.